Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to know if you made a complete stop while driving. This is an easy driving hack, so let's get right into this video. Once again, how to know if you made a complete stop while driving, an easy driving hack. And one last time, the topic of this video, just to clarify, is me showing you and telling you how to know if you made a complete stop while you are driving, an easy driving hack. So let's get into this. Sorry for saying the title 3 times, but I'm doing a lot of videos right now in a row, and I just want to make sure I'm clarifying for myself and for you that I don't get mixed up. And sorry, little side note before I started this video, I was parked a few meters ahead, a few feet ahead, and I kept hearing things falling on my car, and I'm like, what's going on? There's a squirrel on the tree above me getting some stuff, some fruit, I guess, and literally it was just dropping on the car. So if you hear something dropping in the car, it's just a squirrel above me. Okay, so here's the driving hack. Really easy, straightforward. And I'll tell you what the driving hack is. I'll show you it, and I'll tell you why it's important to know this. Okay, so the driving hack is essentially when you make a complete stop, your body will shift essentially like forward and back. Okay, you're gonna feel your body. It won't be, if you're making a smooth stop, it won't be like this. A chipmunk. I mean, guess it was a chipmunk. It just ran across the road. And I live close to a park, and I back onto my house backs onto a park. I don't know if I should be saying this, but I'll just say it anyways. I don't care. And I get like lots of chipmunks in my backyard. And the fun fact is that I'm a meme. Yes, my face is the meme of like, didn't you steal the chipmunks? If you go type that in, you're gonna see it was a big meme for a long time. And my backyard, there's tons of chipmunks that stop by, which is actually ironic and hilarious. So anyways, if you are back to the topic of this video, the title of this video, the actual content that I'm supposed to be doing instead of random stories. If you're stopping smoothly, it's not going to be like this, but you will feel a little bit of a movement, and I'll demonstrate right now. So I'm just going to drive forward, okay, and I'll stop fairly smoothly. So I'm driving forward, make sure there's no chipmunks here crossing the road. I'm going to stop, and as I come to a complete stop, check this out. Look, right there. And that was a pretty smooth stop. Now, obviously, I'll stop even a little bit, I'll even stop a little bit more smoothly. So just like this, check this out. I still got a little bit of that movement like that. Now, I'll tell you why it's important to know whether or not you actually made a complete stop. A lot of people, did I put the e-brake on? No, I didn't. I should make sure it goes on. There we go. Okay, perfect. A lot of people, sometimes people get pulled over, and like the officer will say, you didn't come to a complete stop. They're like, I did. Well, that's how you know. Right? If you didn't get that little movement, then you're not coming to a complete stop. I don't know, like, even if I stop as smoothly as I possibly can, I'm still probably going to get a little bit of that movement. So you have to understand. Okay, you have to understand that if you came to a complete stop, you're going to get that movement, and that's how to tell if you came to a complete stop or not. And if you're supposed to be coming to a complete stop at a stop sign, or a red light before you make a right-hand turn at a red light, whatever the case is, then you need to make sure you feel that movement. That lets you know that you've come to a complete stop. I will tell you, I've been driving for like over 20 years now, or roughly 20 years now. I'm 36 at the time of me filming this. 36 and a half roughly, and I got my license at almost 17, so about 20 years I've been driving, and still to this day I come to a complete stop at stop signs. First and foremost, because I don't want to get a ticket. Secondly, because it's, make sure I'm safe, and thirdly, because it's just the right thing to do. I want to make sure everyone else around me is safe as well. So make sure you come to a complete stop, and that's how to tell if you've made a complete stop while driving or not. And that's it. If you like this sort of video tutorial matched with a little bit of storytelling and entertainment, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.